Well, here I have a setup where I can wirelessly control the music on all these Bluetooth speakers by using my mobile phone. Here is a short example. Well, would you like to know how to do it? Stay tuned. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video, which is a tutorial showing you that how you can play wirelessly music from your mobile phone over multiple any Bluetooth speaker like a Sony SRS XB43, all new JBL Extreme 3, all new latest WKing D9, Transmart Mega Pro portable Bluetooth speaker, Anchor Soundcore Motion Plus, or any others you have available for big party sound. Now I have got all these Bluetooth speakers, but I cannot connect them all together and play a same music from same one mobile source. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it all. Well, by connecting all these Bluetooth speakers at the same time on a one source, you can save a lot of money rather than buying a big party boost speakers actually, guys. So that is the main reason I'm doing this tutorial. Now there are a couple of devices you need to have a connectivity between all the Bluetooth speakers. Within this, first important part will be a wireless audio receiver and transceiver actually. I will leave a link for that in the video description, or you can buy it from any manufacturer if you want to, as long as it can work as a Bluetooth receiver. Now the way this Bluetooth transceiver works is basically what you're going to do, set this device into a receiving mode, which is the way I have done it. And on the device, you're going to get two ports. One is a USB, which is a micro USB port for charging this transceiver. And the second one is the output, which is an auxiliary 3.0 output. So we will be connecting this Bluetooth transceiver wirelessly with our mobile phone, where we'll be playing music, and that all music will be transmitted using the Bluetooth connectivity over this 3.5mm auxiliary port. Now you can plug this port to any Bluetooth speaker on this aux port. It will work, simple as that. But we have a 5 Bluetooth speaker, so what we need is a splitter actually, which can split this one signal into the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, there will be a limit that how many connections you can out from this 3.5mm auxiliary port, but honestly speaking, for 5 of them shouldn't be a problem at all. Now to divide the output of this 3.5mm auxiliary port, you will be using a splitter like this one. I will leave a link for this particular splitter which I have purchased in the video description, so you can check that one out. Now this is just a straightforward splitter which converts any 3.5mm signal into 5 output signals. Simple as that. You can plug it anywhere, the 3.5mm output of your Bluetooth receiver. Well, there we go. Now we are almost there. First thing we need to do now is connect our Bluetooth transceiver with our mobile phone. Now when your transceiver is powered up, by going into the Bluetooth setting of your mobile phone, inside available devices, you should be able to locate Elegant BTI 030 Bluetooth transceiver, which is the name of this Elegant Bluetooth transceiver, and click onto the pair button. Once paired successfully, will be available in the paired devices. Well, now it's time to go ahead with the one dry test of playing music on our mobile phone, transmitting it using this transceiver and getting it out on this splitter. Simple and straightforward. Now for the dry test, I'll be connecting my first Bluetooth speaker, which is a Motion Plus, using its auxiliary port. Now let's play some music. Now the basic system works perfectly fine, where we are transmitting music from using wireless protocol of Bluetooth to our Bluetooth transceiver, and from here we are converting into 3.5mm auxiliary port, dividing it into 5 outputs, which will be connected to all other speakers available in my party actually. Well, here I have a complete setup. As you can see, that Bluetooth transmitter is right here, which is powered by one of the Bluetooth speaker in here, and it's audio signal is divided into using this splitter, which is transmitted to all these Bluetooth speakers. Very simple and straightforward setup, guys. No latency in audio output at all. I have shown a tutorial where you can connect two Bluetooth speakers to one mobile phone, but there is a problem with the latency. On this kind of a setup, you will never have a latency and the output would be fantastic and full of bass. Well, there are advantages as well as the disadvantage of setup like that. Advantages: you can control whole volume from the one mobile phone, so no bugging around with the different mobile phone devices. One device will control the volume, music, everything. Now the drawback which iOS seems to have is basically the decay in audio signal. Obviously the audio signal output will be divided by 5, so there will be a less amount of sound output. But if you got all the big Bluetooth speakers available in here, they would compensate for all of it. Now I have a music throughout the whole room. That's fantastic. To be honest with you, I don't need to spend a lot of money to buy a big party boost speaker. I can have my all speaker connected onto the one Bluetooth transceiver and I can enjoy the music. That's how easy, simple, straightforward it is. Thank you guys for checking this video out. If you got any more questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help.